Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner from Austin there, and so we're gonna unbox this bag. It is raining so hard. So this is good. So inside is my dog. Let's open it. Inside, and it's this white bag. Now let's keep opening it. Yeah, it is raining so hard. Yay! I got a dog. I got my second one. I hope he works. I got my second Come and Get Your Love dog. And this one is from... This is the Lip Sync Classic Love Song Dogs. Does it have batteries in it? Nope. Hold on. I have to talk to Mom and see if I have any batteries. Here we go. I changed his batteries. And let's see if he works. Here it is. He works good. His mouth moves a little bit, and his head moves really good. He is so adorable. He works good. His mouth moves a little bit, and his head moves really good. So here is the video about the unboxing video of my dog. I got a singing dog that sings Come and Get Your Love. He works good. So goodbye now. See you tomorrow, and have a good weekend and have a good day. Have fun.